Mayeni said Macele disrespecting her. Macele put a tent in front of her house. At that time, they have got a birthday of Musamseleku's daughter. So Mayeni got angry until now. You know that Mayeni keep grudges. Those things happening, if you are wronged, Mayeni can't forget, guys, sometimes. But it's not good because Mayeni, she doesn't have a forgiving heart. Those simple things that a person put a tent in front of your house and Macele says Muzumbe, it's for everyone. So Mayeni got angry. Why she said it? Because Macele have got her own house in Sipak. Macele came in Muzumbe because of that birthday, Mangwabe's birthday. That's why Macele came in Muzumbe. That's why you saw Macele every time when she have got a birthday for her kids. Macele, she is doing it in her compound or somewhere. They book somewhere. They don't come in Muzumbe. Because of those things happening last time with Mayeni. Mayeni now, she is still said those things. You know that Macele forgot. When you are on Istanbul, guys, you have to know that people, they wronged each other. If you wronged each other with your siblings, what about someone you meet you don't know? You understand it? So Mayeni, you've got grudges about those things happening long time ago.